How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's look at SNDL yet again because it's been popping off. Yesterday's video, we said we're taking a look at that $1.50 price point, and early in the morning, around 5 a.m., it did hit 150, and then at around 11:15, it hit $1.49. So if you were looking to sell at that area, I hope you did sell, just because the price is currently sitting at $1.29 right now. It's always good to take some profit off the table. A couple things before we get into the video. We've been calling this ever since 65 cents. And we've been calling it for the past year. I mean, way past the $4. I mean, we've been calling it down here, around the 60 cents, I said. And then we called it around here, beginning of May, or, around the beginning of May for, 65 cents. So we've been on it like a hawk. Click the link in the description. Join the Patreon. Only $3, $5, or $7 a month. Get access to watch list and daily alerts about every stock. And it was popping off today for sure. So where can this thing go? Well, $1.50 is going to be your first resistance. It has to break that for sure. VWAP is resistance as well. It's $1.34. And then even at $1.40, there's a lot of things trying to hold this stock down. But I feel like we can definitely break above it, push about $2. This candle is definitely not what you want to see, though. I will admit that. A red candle with a long wick that has the end of it. The volume also was, red for the day. 900 million, so almost 1 billion shares of volume, which is definitely really good. And a lot of people do have their eyes on it. Now, this stock can, which this candle can definitely do this one where it did back in January. It's basically the same candle, and then it spiked up, to that $4. It very well could. If you're looking at it from a non-pump, non-meme stock in quotations, it doesn't look the best. But with that being said, the meme stock, it definitely can get a spike up with that just in mind. Taking a look at the news now, you guys know that the Newswire always posted the gainers and losers, so you guys can pause the video and read any of this. I mean, it's basically just what I said from last video. If you watched yesterday's one, and a lot of you did, thank you so much. A whole bunch of views. It was featured in a couple articles today. The AMC shares trade widely after stock offering. Sundial was also featured in that article, and Artillery as well. So it's just artillery. So it's just depending on where this thing can go. My bottom line is that it needs to break $1.50, and then it needs to push past $1.77 to be even, remotely close enough to get that $4 range, which I think it can by end of summer, if we continue this momentum up and don't get too pumped up, a nice steady incline. But yeah, guys, that's what my thoughts about SNDL. I said more in yesterday's video if you want to check that one out. Let's kind of just repeat today, but let me know if you traded down below. I did trade it. Not, I mean, we've been calling it, but I should have took my own advice. I was trading different things, AMC, Tesla, Nikola, things like that. But definitely looking to get more shares next week, but we'll have to see where it goes. All right, guys, SNDL. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Click the link in the description and join the Patreon. Now's a good time, too, at the beginning of the month.